afternoon, welcome back to the channel. I hope that you can hear me loud and clear. This is a different form of filming for me. It's a POV because today we are actually getting my exhaust tips done. As you can see, it's currently in stock chrome, which is the chrome, although it doesn't look chrome at all right now because it's not clean, it's really dirty. And yeah, so let's have a look at what we're going to replace it with. Well, excuse all the junk, newspaper. Okay, so first of all, shout out to R44 Performance. That's where I source the MPERFORMANCE tips. If you don't know R44 Performance, I always thought it was a raw performance, but it's R44. Check them out. They sell a lot of good aftermarket stuff. And yeah, that's where I got the tips from. So first of all, let's just commend the packaging. Yes, it's just a box, but I really like that they have their own R44 fragile. And check this out, it's pretty cool, right? It's almost as if I bought an M3. Yeah, they actually give you sweeties as well, like lollipops, which I've obviously eaten. So yeah, let's just take a look at one of the tips. Yeah, I should probably turn off the car, right? Let's turn off the car, wasting fuel and all that. So tips are here. So this is one of the tips. So as you can see, it's really flush. It's got the carbon. I actually had in my old M140i MPERFORMANCE exhaust with carbon tips, so this is very familiar to me. But if we just slot it in there, so yeah, it should look really good, guys. I can't wait. I'm going to Wrench Studios after work to get this fitted. You know, one of the main reasons why I want to get this done is because at the moment it looks pretty cool as it is chrome, but when it's dirty, this is what it looks like, and you have to maintain, you have to clean it. I'm not saying, you know, you don't do that with this ones, but it just complements it better, especially with the MPERFORMANCE carbon fiber splitter that I have here at the back. As you can see, that's what it looks like. I really do believe this will complement the rear diffuser even more. Almost carbon for carbon here. Yeah, sick. So I just finished work. I'm on my way now to Wrench Studios. Wrench sauce, bitch! Yeah, that term is also Wrench Studios moniker. Yeah, they're good guys, because I actually went to see them way before when I had the M140i. Yeah, this will be the last time you see it like this in the stock form, and hopefully in a few minutes or hours it will be looking great with the MPE tips. Might have parked a little bit too close to the side of the road, but it's what it is. Just waiting for them to pull up the car. Oh, that was a nice M2 pump. M2 pump. Just get in the car, guys. Yeah, just missed that. Oh wow. Hamid doing the videographer for me.
Come on.
Nice setup here with all the cars. Got DMO's E63 just down here, and this Lambo, which you've seen before in Goodwood. This is my YouTube thumbnail right here, man. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Can't wait for the finished product. Man, you really are a director, you know what you're doing. Yeah, I'll put this on slow-mo.
Yeah. A little slow-mo.
This is your new project, yeah?
This one looks nice.
Woo. Hey, the famous E. Jeez.
Yeah.
What power is this pushing out, bro?
This now is probably about 700 brake.
700 brake. Wow. It's a nice looking car. It's nice and black as well, you know, the grill's alright.
Yeah. Lovely.
I love the plate. Oh, this is some exclusive content, man.
Come on,
Oh,
man.
thank you, bro.
People don't get to see this.
Yeah, I appreciate you, bro. Inside there, man. You want to put it down, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. So this is the M3 that you guys may have seen in Demo's channel. 700 brake. Got the man right here. What's up? What's up? Hit up French Studios for all your performance needs. Yeah, it's a lovely M3. Yeah, thank you, bro.
Catch the part and see if you want on the back.
Yeah, yeah.
So you get that.
Did you guys lower this or
Huh?
you lowered this, right? It's not
Yeah.
factory.
No, that's factory.
Oh, it's
I haven't
factory.
loaded it yet. No.
Oh, really? Oh
Yeah,
my
it's
goodness.
factory
Oh.
orange. And usually you get that thin piece of cardboard.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
whole thing is bumper cut cardboard. Looks sick.
Yeah, it's sick car.
That's that.
That's cool, bro. You've given me a little tour here, man. I appreciate you, man. Honestly. Thank you so much. Bless you, eh?
Good, but then
Yeah.
like it's right there, innit?
Sure,
You know, and then you show the thing. So if you're at this angle, and then
Alright,
you just
man.
see it coming out.
That's all right. I'm here doing stories, IG. Alright guys, so busy exchanging pleasantries yesterday with Hamid, you know, having such a good time and just chatting that I forgot to even shoot a outro video. Yeah, it does look mega. It's, you know, it definitely fits the car now, but all in all, I am pretty pleased with it. And I hope you guys are too. And yeah, from all angles, you know, it's muddy here. It looks alright. That's what it looks like on the side if you guys are interested. So yeah, I will end the video there. Thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy it, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit up R44 Performance for aftermarket kits and aftermarket products for your car. They don't just do BMWs, they do Audis as well, I believe. So just check out the website, link will be in the description somehow. And also, again, special thanks to Hamid and the Wrench Studio guys, who's really fitted me in such short notice. But more than that, he's been very, very welcoming to me yesterday. And shout out to them, shout out to Hamid for showing me around. As you can see, DMO's car was there, and all sorts of other country cars were there. So yeah, really had a good time there. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. So don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe.